Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to Food with Dev. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite Vietnamese avocado smoothie recipe. Here's everything you'll need for a serving size of 2. 2 medium avocados. I find Hass avocados to be the best for this. In my opinion, they're more creamy and sweet. You will need a banana, only half of it, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk, half a cup of regular milk. You can use a substitute like almond milk, but if you do, you'll want to add another tablespoon of sugar and half a cup of ice. Add more or less depending on how liquidy you prefer it. To begin, we're going to cut up the fruits. Start by cutting the avocado in half along the seed. Twist it a bit to open it, then carve out the seed. We're going to do the same to the second avocado. Next, cut the banana in half. On to the next step. Scoop the avocados that you just cut into a blender. When choosing the avocados at the grocery store, I went with 2 that were slightly ripened because I was going to use it right away. Ripe avocados are more flavorful and easier to scoop. Add half of the banana. Add in the tablespoon of sugar, the 3 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk, the half cup of milk, and lastly, the half cup of ice. Again, you might want to add more or less ice depending on how you like the texture of your smoothies. Blend it all up and enjoy this rich, creamy, delicious avocado smoothie. This is my mom's avocado smoothie recipe and it tastes exactly like how I remember when I went to Vietnam. It is super easy to make and extremely delicious. I'm excited to share this recipe with you all and I hope you try it and love it. If you enjoyed this video, I would highly appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching everybody and I'll see you in the next video.